In Part 1, we explored why the poor stay silent. We delved into the systemic barriers that keep their voices suppressed, the fear of retribution, and the overwhelming sense of powerlessness that pervades their lives. But silence is not the end of the story. It is merely the beginning of a journey towards empowerment and change. But what if the tables were turned? What if the marginalized found their voice and used it to demand justice and equality? Imagine a world where the oppressed no longer cower in fear but stand tall and united, ready to challenge the status quo. What if the oppressed finally broke their chains and gained the strength to fight back? The chains of poverty, discrimination, and systemic injustice can be shattered when people come together with a common purpose. The act of breaking free is not just physical, it is a profound psychological and emotional liberation. The first step in any revolution is unity. Unity is the foundation upon which movements are built. It is the glue that binds individuals into a formidable force capable of enacting real change. Without unity, efforts are fragmented and easily quashed. It starts small, with whispers. These whispers grow into conversations, and conversations into movements. The seeds of revolution are often planted in the quiet corners of society, where people dare to dream of a better future. But soon, through solidarity, the powerless become a powerful collective. Solidarity transforms individual struggles into a shared mission. It amplifies voices and magnifies impact, turning isolated acts of defiance into a chorus of resistance. The poor don't have to fight alone anymore. They find strength in numbers, in the shared experiences and collective will of their community. Together, they can face any challenge and overcome any obstacle. History has shown us that the poor can gain power through unity. From the labor movements of the early 20th century to the civil rights struggles of the 1960s, unity has been the driving force behind every significant social change. The civil rights movement taught us that even in the face of violence, the power of peace and unity can challenge an entire system. Fear can be defeated. The courage to stand up even when faced with brutality is a testament to the indomitable human spirit. It starts with knowledge, knowing that the strength of many outweighs the power of a few. Education and awareness are critical. They empower individuals with the understanding that they are not alone and that their collective strength can bring about change. And when the masses realize they outnumber their oppressors, fear becomes the true enemy. The realization of their collective power can dismantle the structures of oppression and instill a sense of hope and possibility. Revolution doesn't just mean violence, it means transformation, it means reclaiming power and agency, it means creating a society where justice and equality are not just ideals but realities. It's about taking control of your destiny, pushing for change through collective action, whether through protest, through votes, or through movements that reshape societies. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to the larger goal of systemic change. One voice can change the world. The power of a single individual to inspire and mobilize others cannot be underestimated. History is replete with examples of lone voices that sparked revolutions. But when those voices unite, when they come together in a harmonious call for justice and equality, their impact is immeasurable. That's when the impossible becomes inevitable. The collective will of the people can move mountains and bring about the change that once seemed unattainable. So, what if the poor united and overthrew the system? The answer lies in the power of unity and collective action. When the marginalized come together, they can dismantle the structures that oppress them and build a new, just society. The answer is clear. When the powerless rise together, nothing can stop them. Their collective strength and determination can overcome any obstacle and achieve any goal. The revolution begins with you. Join the movement. Every individual has a role to play in the fight for justice and equality. Your voice, your actions, and your commitment can make a difference. Subscribe now to explore more powerful ideas about the future of humanity. Stay informed, stay engaged, and be part of the change you wish to see in the world.